So we're at Port Douglas and there's a walkway to the beach that's in between some resorts. It's actually down the road from where we're staying, but we thought we'd walk along the road a bit before going down to the beach. It's really quite a pleasant little walk. We've already part way through, but it's quite interesting plants along here. I love this one. It looks like a pandanus, but it's a variegated one, which you don't see very often at all. And got lots of nice palms. But it's got that slightly wild look about it as well. John's gone up ahead. You can hear, there's not much of a surf here, it's just like a really gentle little wave rolling in right near the shore. And as we approach, I can feel it getting cooler as well. Coming through and opening out onto a really lovely beach. This one is called 4 Mile Beach. And we've got some segways coming along the beach there. And mountains meet the sea. That's a nice wide expanse. Looking back towards Port Douglas that way. The main part where the main streets are. Just inland a bit. But check out this huge beach. Right, time to take the thongs off and enjoy a little bit of a wade in the water. So we've walked all the way along the 4 Mile Beach from Port Douglas right up to the end of 4 Mile Beach, and there's the Pullman Resort, and we had a drink by the pool there. It's a massive pool, and now we're just walking along the side of the resort. And even though we're walking along basically a footpath, it's all nicely vegetated on either side. Oh, look at that beautiful butterfly in front. Now that you won't be able to see that on video, but that's massive. So we'll see if we can catch up with it. I think that's one of the biggest ones they have here in Queensland. And of course, it's going to stay well ahead of us. I can just see what's going to happen. Oh, there we go. Getting a bit closer. Whoop. It looks like the size of a small bird.
It's huge.
Alright, yeah, I don't think you saw much of that, but trust me, that was big. And you've got these plants that have got these hanging down roots that look sort of prehistoric, or like you're in some movie set or something like that. And then ahead of us, there's a golf course, massive golf course. And some more of that beautiful bright pink cordyline. Of that bright pink colour.
Yeah.
And so continue on. So look at that massive golf course vista all down there. Golf courses with palm trees, as you do up here in tropical Queensland. So still going along the front here. Just has a real tropical feel about it. It's a baby Bengal palm here. Some more cordylines, different colours. This one's nice. That's really pretty. It's like very pale cream on top. Alright, so we'll continue our walk all the way back to our place at Port Douglas. Some sort of eucalypt. Lovely bark that's all kind of peeling off. Looks really nice. You've got these interesting bird sounds along here as well. So even this is just the outside on the street, but it still looks nice. It's quite green and lush looking. Walking down the side here, and even here where you can see it's just mostly been left as is. It still doesn't look too bad. And occasionally there's some nice little plants tucked in, like these heliconias here. Yeah, they're lovely, aren't they? That one's interesting. Some flowers that have produced seeds. We don't even know what this one is. That's very interesting looking. Glossy leaves. Gives you that tropical look. This is it's quite tidal here. And you can see the tide's gone. Like we can already see from here. It won't show on the video just yet. Tide's going a long way. So it's almost like a mud flat look here compared to the other ends of the beach where we started. It was very sandy and reasonably level. Alright, thongs off.
How far's the beach going?
And since we popped in there at the Pullman to have a drink by the poolside, the tide has gone out a long way. Wow, that's amazing. And often there's mist hanging over those mountains. Very nice. So we're right towards the end of the beach now. And we'll be turning off shortly, going up the ramp back to our accommodation. Back on Davison Street, one of the main streets. This is where we're staying. Marina Terraces. So that was a nice little walk today. So goodbye from Leanne in Adelaide.